Hello and welcome to Edu Portal. In this lecture, we are going to solve a numerical problem on population forecasting based on decreasing rate of growth method. The question is given as year given and population in thousand given. So 1950, in the year 1950 the population is 56,000, in the year 1960 population is 65,000, in the year 1970 population is 72,000, in the year 1980 population is 78,000. So we have to estimate the population for the year 2000 by decreasing rate of growth method. So before solving this problem, we will read the theory regarding the decreasing rate of growth. Okay, so the theory says that in this method average decrease in percentage increase, average decrease in the percentage increase. That means we have to take the average of percentage increases in various years, and then it is subtracted from the latest percentage increase, okay, to get the percentage increase of the next decade. Okay, so we will solve the problem and everything will be very clear. Let's solve. Year and population are given. In the year 1950, 56,000, 1960, 65,000, 1970, 72,000, 1980, 78,000. So 65,000 minus 56,000 we get 9,000, 72,000 minus 65,000 we get 7,000, and 78,000 minus 72,000 we get 6,000. Now make it percentage. 9,000 divided by 56,000, so we get 16%. Similarly, 7,000 divided by 65,000 we get 10.77%, and then 6,000 divided by 72,000 we get 8.33%. This is the latest percentage increase in population. Now we have to take the percentage decrease. Okay, this is the percentage increase in between from the year 1950 to 1960. This is percentage increase from the year 1970 to 1960, and this is the percentage increase from the year 1970 to 1980. Now the difference between these two, 16% minus 10.77% is equal to 5.23%. 10.37% minus 8.33% is equal to 2.44%. Now we have to take this is the decrease in percentage increase, so we have to take the average of this as per our problem definition. Okay, so average of r dash is the decrease in percentage increase. Okay, let's read the theory once again and it will be very clear. We have to take the average of average decrease. This is the decrease, so average degree of percentage increase. So percentage increase, this is the decrease, this is percentage increase, this is percentage increase, this is decrease. So we have to take the average of these two to get the final value. Okay, so it will be, so this is r average of r dash, that is average of r dash 5.23 plus 2.44 by 2, that is r dash average, we have denoted by r dash average, and it is equal to 3.84%. okay, this is 3.84%. now we will determine the population of 1990. So population of 1990, the formula is population of 1980 plus r last means the latest percentage increase, and by minus r dash average by 100 into population of 1980. If we do this, we will get 81502. okay, let's see again. So see here, so r last, this is the r last 8.33%, and this is r dash average is this is r dash average. So we will put this value to get the population for 1990. okay, now we have to determine the population for 2000, and this is population for 2000, population for 1990 plus R last. R last means this, and 2 into R dash average. This is R dash average into 2. Why 2? Because from 1980 we the to 2000 it is 20 years. That means 2 decades. So it means 2 into R dash average into population of 1990. Population of 1990. So doing this 81502 that we got from here, and R last 8.33 and 2 into 3.84. 3.84 is the R dash average. So putting all this value we will finally get, we will finally get P 2000, that is the population in the year 2000 is equal to 82032. So this is the answer. Okay, this is the way to solve population forecast problem by decreasing by the population decreasing rate of growth method. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Thanks for watching. All the best.